guys, welcome to channel. Today we are back in some more robots today, where I'm going to be playing Mega. Let's say it's a running game, because I can't really eat it behind a regular Mega. But I don't know, guys. I've never played this before, and sorry I've been not posting for like a long time, but I'm going to be start posting, and I'm going to be making another one on Gotcha Life. So make sure you watch this video and go watch the video that I'm going to make right now for you guys, so I can have more subscribers. And make sure you subscribe and like the channel, you know. Also, you can have a ton of stuff. And make sure you join my channel, because I need some people. And make sure you go check out my friend and channel, Kai, my friend Kai, and my friend Brickney. Oh, and make sure you go join her channel, because her channel is awesome. So I'm gonna be playing this game. Hope you guys enjoy it. And, oh, I'm in red. So what do I do basically? Oh, what? What happened? I don't understand. What do you do? This is a weird. I'm saying. Oh. Hat. Click to play me. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Click it. Whoa. No way. What is this? This is weird. Oh, I think we're supposed to do that. Okay. This is getting a bit too intense. Whoa. Ouch. Ow. 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 Ouch. That hurt. Oh. Why am I rolling on the ground? I'm going so fast. I'm getting dizzy. Ugh. All the colors. It's getting on my headache. Wow. What's happening? I'm getting so dizzy around here. Whoa. No, I'm so dizzy. I'm so dizzy. Whoa. That was if I'm still dizzy. What am I gonna do? I think I had to make it to that hole. Get there. How are they getting down there? It says to funding sound, but hey, that's not nice. Someone threw me across. I did it! I did it. Let's do darker blue. Oh, the same one. Look to play me. like to play me. Ooh, so many colors. Sorry for that. Anyways, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is so fast. Oh, oh my god. I'm stuck. Wait, why am I even in a ball? I think it's just for safety. Or else I die. Well, this is kind of awkward. Let's see. Weird. This is very weird, but well. Ouch. Whoa. Okay, let's see if we can climb back up. Is there any chances? Any ways? Oh, up there. Whoa. That was weird. Oh. Wait a minute. Looky. I don't know why I say looky, but look, some cool stuff. Try. Sorry about that. It's a nice stuff they have. Why is this even here? Guys, this is gonna take a while. Something's okay, I'm back in action. Anyway, sorry about that. Whoa, guys, look, the hole. Can't get back to it, but let's see if someone push me down. Come on. Oh man, this guy is. Oh, he's. Let's see if I could get hit by any. Oh my god, that's so close. I'm gonna go right straight down here. That didn't do it, but let's go to the spawn area. Okay. Let's go to the shop. Sorry. Cheese. Cookie. Cookies? I want a cookie. Oh my god, look guys, I got a cookie. Yummy. Fireflies. Let's see what's up there. What's this? Oh, just that. Whoa. You have to jump. Oh, you have to jump. But I don't think, oh no, you don't have to. Oh, cool. Some chairs. There's, oh, yummy cookie. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. This is so delicious. A little picture of my favorite color. That was delicious. Now, let's go find. I'm still hungry. I thought I saw a cheeseburger in there. Guys, let's go. Wait. Guys, let's go get that cheeseburger I saw over here in the shops. And if you guys want to get your own channel, make sure. And guys, and guys, if if you're buying Robux, make sure you if you're buying Robux and asking for a star code, make sure you put it make sure you put it's Charlotte, which is my mom's name. But if you do, make sure you put Charlotte, and you'll get your Robux for the start from the star code. If you get Robux. And anyways, let's go get that cheeseburger from the shop started here behind me. I have a lot of money, so I can buy anything really. Here's the cheeseburger. Okay, oh wait, it's raw. Let me go cook it. I thought I saw a stove here somewhere. Oh, and wee, so nice. Look, now let's get it. Oh, let me get it. Oh, that's cool. Huh? Oh, Yum, yum, yum. This is so good. That's so tasty. So I'm full now. Oh, what's in here? Let's go check it out. Nothing. What? Let's do yellow. Yellow's a fun color. Yellow. Whoosh. Wait, let's see what happens if we go down here by ourselves. Jump! Ouch. I think we die. Yeah, we pretty. Oh, pink. Let's do pink. That's my favorite color. Click. Whoosh. Whee. Ow. Ah. Oh my god, I'm dying. No. Oh, we're going down here safely. What? No. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm getting headaches. Help. Whoosh. I should see my cookie. Save me. No, save me cookie. No, save me. I ate my last cheeseburgers. I'm gonna die, guys. Wait, I'm in a ball, so I can't really die. This is taking so long. It's taking it for so... Ah! Well, this is so weird. Whoosh! Whoa. Well, I landed right here. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. We'll see you on the next video. Bye. Oh, and make sure you go to my channel and check out my channels, because I'll be posting another one right now. All about Gotcha Life. I've TikToks. Make sure you join this channel right now. Comment down below and give it a big thumbs up. And also comment down below which is your favorite color. Which one? And if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You see y'all next time. Good. let's say goodbye.